Assalamu alaikum students, I hope you all are doing well. Welcome back to your science class. So take out your science books and copies, open chapter number 2, the animal world. As previously we have completed the topic, so today we will do textbook question answers which are given on page number 33. So let's start. We have already done question number 1. Question number 2 is, what is another word for animals with a spine, B part without a spine? So what is spine? Spine is basically the backbone, यानी कि जो हमारी बॉडी में रीढ़ की हड्डी जिसको कहा जाता है, that is called a spine. So आपने बताना है उन एनिमल्स को क्या कहा जाता है जिनमें स्पाइन प्रेजेंट होगी और जिनमें यानी जो वर्टिब्रल कॉलम है या फिर जो बैकबोन है वो एब्सेंट होगी. So answer part A is, another word for the animals with a spine is vertebrates. That means they have vertebral column. B part, another word for the animals without a spine, यानी कि जिनमें spine या फिर जो vertebral column जो backbone है वो नहीं होगी, they are called invertebrates. Now question number 4 is, what is the difference between placental mammals and marsupials? Give examples of each. So previously in the topic of mammals we discussed that there are different groups of mammals which are placental, marsupials and monotremes. So what you have to do in this question, you have to differentiate between placental and marsupials. Answer, placental mammals, they give birth to young who are well developed when they are born. यानी ऐसे mammals, ऐसे organisms जो young को बर्थ देंगे, ऐसे यंग को पैदा करेंगे जो कि फुली डेवलप होगा, यानी उसकी बॉडी पार्ट्स ईच एंड एवरीथिंग ग्रो होगी जब वो पैदा होंगे. सो दैट आर कॉल्ड प्लेसेंटल मैमल्स. उसकी एग्जांपल क्या है? फॉर एग्जांपल जो ह्यूमंस हैं वो भी फुली डेवलप बेबी को बर्थ देते हैं. फॉर एग्जांपल ह्यूमंस, वेल्स, डॉग्स एंड रैट्स. Now what about marsupials? They give birth to young that are only partly developed. पार्टली डेवलप यानी कि कुछ डेवलप हुए होंगे लेकिन फुली डेवलप नहीं होते. द यंग क्रॉल इनटू द मदर्स पाउच वेयर दे आर फेड इनटू दे हैव until they have developed enough to emerge into the world. Emerge का मतलब होता है बाहर जाना, crawl का मतलब होता है रेंगना. So what they will do कि ये जो youngs होंगे crawl into their mother's pouch. As you can see kangaroo, the mother kangaroo has a pouch जिसमें क्या है, उसका बेबी जो है वो रह रहा है और वहाँ से खुराक हासिल करेगा जब तक कि वो फुली डेवलप ना हो जाए. Where they are fed until they have developed enough to emerge into the world. Fed means ये अपना खाना हासिल करते हैं. For example, kangaroos, koalas and opossums. As you can see in this picture, kangaroos, koalas and opossums. What are the example of marsupials? Kangaroos, koalas and opossums. Now next question number 5. What are the common characteristics of each of the following? So we have discussed about these in detail in previous lectures, birds, fish, amphibians, arthropods, reptiles. So आपने क्या करना है, one by one इनके main characteristics को लिखना है, starting with birds. Some common characteristics of birds are as under. They are warm-blooded. That means their body temperature remains constant and doesn't change with the environment. They lay eggs with hard shells, यानी कि जो birds के eggs होंगे उनकी shells जो covering होगी वो बहुत ही hard होगी. They have feathers and wings. They have scales but only on their legs and feet. यानी हमने पहले भी ये बात की थी, ये भी पढ़ा था कि जो उनके scales होंगे वो सिर्फ टांगों और पाँवों पे present होंगे. They breathe through lungs just like humans and they have a beak but no teeth. यानी कि उनकी चोंच present होगी, beak होगी but they don't have teeth. So teeth are absent in birds. Next, fish. Common characteristics of fish are following. They live in water, they breathe through gills, most have scales, most have fins to help them move through the water. यानी कि जो fins हैं वो उनकी movement में help करते हैं. Most lay eggs and they are cold blooded. That means their body temperature changes according to their environment. Now number 3, you have to write the characteristics of amphibians. Common characteristics of amphibians are as under. Number 1, they have thin skins, यानी कि उनकी skin है, covering है वो बहुत ही thin होगी, बारीक होगी. They begin life in water and then live on land. For example, frogs, वो अपनी life कहाँ से, water से start करेंगे and ultimately they live on land. Adult females return to the water to lay their eggs. यानी जो adult females जो babies को grow करवाएंगी वो क्या करेंगी, eggs कहाँ जाके देंगी, पानी में. Number 4, they do not have scales or claws, यानी उनकी body में